This semester, production took on some of the most complex builds in SDSCPA history. From massive construction to advanced sound and lighting, this is what we've been working on. Our biggest project this year was hairspray. For this production, we built an entire wagon-based set. That means each room was designed to roll on and off stage during the show. Each room had to be engineered, designed, painted to make sure it rolled safely and smoothly. This is the largest number of individual scenic elements we've ever created for a production. Everything you see here was built by students. The sound and technical complexity of Hairspray pushed our production team further than any show we've done before. In total, we had 82 channels that included 32 wireless mics, more than many Broadway shows, and 48 channels coming from our live on-stage band. On top of that, we had additional channels for communication and sound effects. We also introduced a new system for the band where they played with headphones so they can clearly hear themselves and each other. Across the theater, we had 20 speakers so everyone from backstage to the audience could hear what was happening. We also had 6 cameras so cast and crew could see what was happening across the stage. And to keep everything running smoothly, we had 19 wireless headsets so the crew can communicate during the show. And that was just the setup. During the show, students executed over 800 lighting cues and over 1,500 sound cues. For the middle school dance show Elevate, we programmed hundreds of lighting cues. Each cue had to be timed precisely, often down to a fraction of a second to match choreography and music. But not everything we do is visible to the audience. A lot of production is the work that happens behind the scenes that makes the performances possible. For dance performances, we roll out the Marley and then prep the floor every day. That includes sweeping and mopping to create a clean, safe surface. Without that, dancers are at risk of slipping. In addition to all of this, production also supported over 50 students in class productions and events. This includes multiple events in the Circle of the Sun and the CGO. We also supported 5 other schools' musical productions and provided everything from props to set pieces to even full sound systems. In one case, we even sent a student over to another school so they could intern as their lighting designer. This year, we also made major investments in new equipment for artists across the school. We bought 18 new singer sewing machines for our classes and 3 new industrial machines for our main stage productions. We've also been expanding our sound and lighting systems, enhancing everything from performances to visual art exhibitions. All this equipment is here for students to learn on and use in real productions. If this is something that interests you, talk to your counselor about one of our many course offerings. All of our courses are now open to all students, regardless of major. And while all this is happening, we're already building for the future. We've started work for next year's high school dance production, and we're preparing for the largest haunted house SDSCPA has ever seen. This is production.